Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. If you want the best scrubber sponge ever, the Scrub Daddy is exactly the one you're gonna wanna get. And not just one, you're gonna want the whole box. Honestly, these are so versatile, but the best parts about them is that they do not scratch. I use them mostly for dishes, but they can be used in all areas of your home, including the bathroom and other parts you need to just wash up, scrub up. But the other best part is that they never stink. Ever. There's no odor that's left trapped in here with foodstuffs or like leftover anything. No grunge, no residue, no odor. Honestly, I love these. They get into all the nooks and crannies and crevices that you could ever want. I actually was a little bit concerned with the size of them, but with water, they flex to fit anywhere. I absolutely love them. They are not harsh on my hands either, so even if I don't wear rubber gloves, they are excellent. No matter what product you're using, they works wonderful with them. They produce a beautiful lather with even just the smallest amount of soap, and honestly, afterwards, they're still happy to be around. I know you're gonna love them as much as my family does too, and that's my point of view.